Today, all across the globe, there's this very wide appreciation of ancient Hindu or Indian philosophy and practices such as yoga and meditation. It was in the late 1650s when, with the help of Brahmin scholars assembled from Benaras, Dara Shukoh translated from Sanskrit into Persian the principal Upanishads. And after that, this text just lay there unused, gathering dust for a century and a half. And then there was a Latin translation of this manuscript made. And for the first time in history, ancient Hindu philosophical ideas were made available to the West. It created quite a stir in intellectual circles, and Schopenhauer and Nietzsche and very many other like-minded philosophers took to it warmly. But then Dara was forgotten.